Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. Today's video is going to be a boxy charm. It's going to be what I got in my June Boxy Charm. I am so happy to be sitting in front of the camera right now. I haven't filmed in a very long time, and I had a lot of, things going on like with work and home and stuff, but I'm so happy to just be sitting in front of the camera with you guys. So let's just dive right into this boxy charm. This boxy charm actually looks really good, the products that I got, so I'm very excited to try them out with you guys. So the first thing that I did notice with the box is that I got this Asology overnight lip mask, and this is saying that obviously you apply it at night before sleeping, but what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to apply it now, and I'm going to leave it on as I'm applying my makeup, so that way it gives me time to really see. I know it's not going to work the same way it would work overnight, but I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. Oh, it's like a jelly type. It's like looks like a lip gloss. I was thinking it's going to be like grainy, like an exfoliating, but you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Laneige one, but the Laneige one is not liquid, but like the Laneige balm. So we're just gonna put some of this on here. It smells amazing. It smells like coconut in here. Oh, and you're only supposed to use it once a week. It says use weekly for optimal results, so I'm guessing you cannot use it every night. You just use it once a week. Oh, and then you gotta wipe it with a damp cotton pad to remove. Okay, so I'll just follow the directions on this, but it feels nice. And the next thing that we did get in the box is this Jecca Black Hydrate Primer, and I'm so happy that they gave me a hydrating primer because my skin, as I'm getting older, I'm 26, but as I'm getting older I think my skin's getting drier. So I'm happy I got this hydrating primer, and I've never heard of this brand before, Jecca Black. I don't know this brand, I'm not familiar with it, but I'm just excited to try this. It's a UK brand, it's made in the UK, so let's see how this works. My mirror right here. But yeah, I'm just happy to be back filming in front of the camera. Like I miss this, I really do miss it, and for whatever reason I keep coming back to YouTube, so there's something about YouTube that I like. Okay, it feels more like a cream. It's definitely more of like a cream product. Like I feel like I'm putting moisturizer on my face, which I mean I can sense why it's like hydrating, but it's not like, I don't know, like it feels just kind of more thick and more like cream like, but we'll see how this works. And I usually like to let my primer marinate as I'm doing the rest of my makeup. I always do it like that. For a long time I've always like just put my primer first. The lighting was a little dark, so I had to just adjust some things in my camera, but like I was saying, I always go in with the primer and let it marinate just to sit on my skin. So the next thing that I got, I was so excited. This is by OPV Beauty, and this is the Spotlight eyeshadow palette, and when I opened it, look at how beautiful this is. I know there's a million palettes that look like this, but something that really drew me to this palette is this like icy blue color here, and I don't know, the blue just really drew me in, and I just got an idea to do an eye look with these colors, but I'm not gonna do an eye look with these blues today. I'm just gonna stick with the plain old brown colors. I'm gonna do a quick eye look with this palette right here because we're just testing it out, but I want to do a couple makeup tutorials using this palette because this is such a gorgeous palette, and I've never bought anything from this brand, so I'm not familiar with OPV Beauty, but I've heard of it before, but I just am like intrigued to do a couple eye looks with this palette. So the next two things that I got in the box is a lip item and like a highlight item. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my foundation and my blush and my bronze and all that good stuff, and I will be right back to finish up the look. Okay, so I am back with my makeup. I feel like I look a little bit reddish, and that is because I used the L'Oreal Infallible Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Copper, and I forgot how red it makes my skin look. So if I look a little red, that's why. But I tried to like fix it with concealer, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna go back with this Maybelline Concealer. I'm gonna try to fix it a little bit more and make it a little bit more yellow-ish, just to kind of add back the golden in my skin, because it kind of took it away. I have to throw this out because I forgot how it makes my skin look so red. And like, even looking into the viewfinder, I feel like I look super like red. Like, I don't feel like my skin looks the way it usually looks, like more golden. It looks really red. But the eyeshadow, I really like it. It's really easy to work with, very blendable colors, very easy to use, very pretty pigmented eyeshadow. I can't wait to do many more looks with this because it is so stunning. Like, these colors are colors that there's so many options in here, and I feel like this is a palette I can get a lot of use out of, so I can't wait to do more looks with this. So now moving on with the box, the next thing that I got is this right here by Touch and Soul, and this is a it's called the Glodiant makeup palette. So it says with this palette you can it says multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect floody flush. So I'm guessing with this you can bronze, blush, highlight. On my skin tone, I know that this is not going to work as a bronzer. These are probably just all going to be highlighters. So I'm just going to go in and mix. I think I'm going to mix these. Sorry, that's my mom yelling. I think I'm going to mix these three shades here for highlight. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do these first three shades. But these are really beautiful and very pretty, like super, super pretty. This Rare Beauty brush, and I'm just gonna take 1, 2, 3, these three, tap that excess out, and just, okay, is it me or is it not showing? Is it showing? I feel like it's showing. Oh yeah, it is showing. Okay, let's take a little bit more. They feel super, super soft. They feel like kind of putty-ish, so I really like that. And I'm just gonna take my sponge and just kind of blend that in more like this, just to make it look more wet as opposed to like a strip of highlight. I love my highlight when it looks like super like wet and glowy. And yeah, I mean, I really like this highlight. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I really like it, and I love how it feels super, super putty. So now the last thing I have to do is I have to remove this lip mask. So I'm gonna take this off. My lips feel super soft. And the last thing that I got is, I picked this out myself. It is the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. I haven't like tried any lip products from Nars. Like, I've seen them and I've, you know, always meant to buy one, but I never purchased one. So I was so excited when I saw these. And these were so popular back in like 2014, 2015 in old school YouTube. These were very popular. Everybody was wanting their hands on Nars, but I got mine in the shade Dance Fever. And lately I've been really just liking normal lip pencils. Like, I'm not really into like liquid lipsticks as much as I used to be. I'm more into like regular tube lipsticks or like a lip gloss. This shade Dance Fever is like the shades that I always just wear on a regular basis. It is like this mauve color, and if you've been following me for a while, you know I love mauve shades on my lips. So I'm very excited about this color. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to line my lips. I'm going to line my lips with this Alamar Cosmetics Coqueta lip liner. So yeah, this is the lip combo. This is so pretty with this brown lip liner. It kind of gave me more of a brown lip color, and I really like this color actually. Like this combo that it created, it looks so beautiful, looks so pretty. But yeah, I really like this combo. I'm probably gonna wear this combo more often because it's such a pretty like lip combo. Who would have thought I would have liked this lip combo? But yeah guys, this is the Boxy Charm. I really like this month. This month was a very good month. There's not one product that I was like turned off by. I really liked everything. My favorite of course has to be this Nars lipstick, and then the eyeshadow palette. I really like that. But aside from that, I'm really surprised with this box and this lip combo, you guys. Like, I'm sorry, I can't stop looking at my lips because I feel like the lip combo is just so beautiful that I created with this lip liner and this lipstick. This lipstick is definitely going in my purse because this is gonna be like my new favorite nude everyday lipstick. The overall value of this month's box is 140 soles, and I only paid $26 a month for this, so I got a lot of goodies. The eyeshadow palette is just alone $40. That is a lot. $40 for an eyeshadow palette, and then the lipstick was $27. So do you see, like, you get very great products, and you get such high-end good quality products for $26 a month, and I really love this month. I can't believe I just found like a new everyday lipstick shade that I will be definitely wearing, and I really like it. So that is it for this month's Boxy Charm. I really hope you guys enjoyed my June Boxy Charm unboxing try-on style. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. And also please leave suggestions of what videos you want to see. Like, I definitely want to do more makeup tutorials, but I know like it's not a thing anymore here on YouTube, so I just want to know, like, what do you guys want to see? What do you guys like? Do you guys want to see fashion hauls? Do you guys want to see tutorials? Do you guys want to see, like, what do you want to see? So please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be here filming, and I'm so happy to be just back in front of the camera and back here on YouTube. And yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and I cannot wait to just film more videos for you guys. But thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.